Coastal Roots has existed for over 25 years, and in that time, they've been working with over 35,000 students and teachers.
And we are coming up on our 250,000th tree that we're going to plant. There are 40-ish schools right now in the program, and every one of them is running independent of each other, but they're all aimed at the same goal, which is to provide trees to help reestablish habitats that have been damaged. We've planted thousands and thousands of trees all over South Louisiana. And even if only 10% of those trees grow, there's a lot of trees out there that wouldn't have been there otherwise. At its core, the whole project is really built on partnerships. So there's the School of Education, there's the College of Agriculture, there's Sea Grant, which is a part of it, but it's them working with schools. So the schools will grow the trees or the grasses throughout the year, and then we meet them out on a field site. Now, the partnerships extend then beyond that little initial bubble because we're going out to the Teche to plant. So we're planting with U.S. Fish and Wildlife. Today, we're in Baton Rouge, so we're planting with the Breck Parks here, but sometimes we're with the Army Corps in the Spillway or other places like state parks around the state.
It really is a great partnership for us because the students get to come out, they get to plant the trees that they've spent the year growing, and our parks benefit tremendously. By planting, we're reforesting these mowed sections, and that helps again with flood mitigation, but also creates natural habitat for our wildlife so that doesn't encroach on people's yards. And we're creating space for recreational use like hiking trails. This is all public land, so it really is their park, and we want to create that and foster that sense of ownership and responsibility.
I'm really motivated by the excitement that the students have, the opportunity for them to get their hands dirty and get out of the classroom and still be able to learn and experience something beyond what they learn in a book or what they learn online in the curriculum.
I really enjoy the experience because I love my environment, I love taking care of it. Knowing that I'm helping prevent a lot of bad flooding that we have, it touches me.
Planting these trees feel very rewarding. Knowing that we get to see our progress years later is just so cool.
When I graduated from St. Joseph's, I was a student under Linda Messina who pioneered the program, so it's been really neat to come back as a teacher and get to help the next generation continue the same program.